You are having previous bit, so today let me take one new lesson, that is water. So be ready with your textbook. Misbah, how are you? Okay. Now today let us take new lesson, water lesson. Open page number 22, water lesson. Very good. So, if you are ready, let me tell you the lesson about water, how important water is. Understood? So now, see when you are drinking water, when you are thirsty, when you drink water, when you feel thirsty. Understood? Thirsty means what? Needed. When you are thirsty, we drink water. Understood? Without water, can we live? Can we live without water? No, we cannot live without water. Understood? We can live without food, but we cannot live without water. Understood? So water is very important for we human beings. Understood? Plants, animals also they need water. Understood? So we cannot live without water. You can see this is the boy and his name is Salim. What is his name? Salim, and he is drinking water. Understood? Salim is a boy, he is drinking water. So, without water, we cannot live. So, here is the picture story of a crow, and you might be knowing the story. Let me tell you about this story. Understood? Now, look at the pictures and say the story. So, here in the first picture, you can see here crow. This is the crow, and it is flying here. Understood? Now I will be telling the story. Try to understand. Understood? Can you understand? Now see here. One day it was summer day. It was summer season. Summer. Understood? Very hot. It was very hot, and one day this crow was flying and it was very thirsty. It was very thirsty and it was flying and it was searching the water. Understood? One day it was very hot in the afternoon time, like this time, and it was very thirsty and it wanted to drink the water. So it started searching water everywhere, but it didn't get water anywhere. So what is crow done? It saw after some time, it saw the pot. See here. See here. It saw the pot near the house. It saw the pot which was kept near the house, and it came flying here. It came flying and it saw the water, sat on the pot, and it saw the water inside the pot, and water was not there inside the pot. Understood? So it was very less water was there at the below of the pot. Very less water was there at the bottom of the pot. So what the crow thought? What to do? How to get the water? How to drink the water? Because it cannot drink water with its beak. With its mouth, it cannot drink water which is at the bottom of the pot. So what this crow done? What done? It gone down the floor and it searched the stones. It searched the stones one by one. It picked it holded the stone in its mouth, in its beak, and brought it and started putting in the pot. It collected some stones, small stones, and brought and started putting in the pot here. Understood? So after some time, water came up. Understood? And some time, water came up, and this crow drank that water and flew away. Understood? This way, the crow drank the water and it was happy. Understood? So without water, any of us means we human beings, animals, plants, we cannot live without the water. Understood? Will you drink water now when you are thirsty? You drink water now. When you are thirsty, you drink water. And when you are hungry, you take food. Understood? Now, here are some pictures that we show you in page number 20, page number 23. Here, observe these plants and see that girl standing here. What she is doing? She is pouring the water to the plants. She is pouring water to the plants. Understood? And see these plants and see how these are these plants. So, say without what is not poured to these plants. What is not poured for 2 days for these plants, so they are drying. Without water, the plants cannot live. Understood? How we cannot live without water? The same way plants also cannot live without the water. So now here you see how the plants are. They are drying up. Understood? But here they are cheering. Understood? They are growing. Here they are not. Here they are what? Not cheerful. They are, the leaves are became what? Dry. Leaves are drying. Here the leaves are growing. Understood? So without water, plants cannot live. Understood? Without water, plants cannot live. Understood? Now, so you must pour water to the plants also. Now you can see the boy is, what he is doing? He is washing the face. See, when we all get up in the morning, first work what we do, we wash our face. In morning time, will you wash or no? Will you wash face? So morning time, first we wash our face. Understood? So this boy is washing the face. Understood? Then next picture you can see here. See the boy taking bath. The boy is taking bath. Understood? So this is the boy is washing face with the water. And say this boy taking bath with the clean water. Understood? So second picture. And here in third picture you can see the person washing the vegetables. Washing the vegetables in your home. See, you too wash vegetables before cooking, no? Your mother washed the vegetables. The same way, this person is washing the vegetables. Understood? And here, for cooking purpose, the water is also used for cooking purpose. Understood? You can see the picture here. The woman, she is using water for cooking. Understood? You know how your mother cooks using the water. Understood? So for washing the face, for taking bath, understood? For washing vegetables, for cooking purpose, we need water. Understood? Now, in your home, you observe your mother how she cooks the food. Understood? Now here, you can see here how you can see how your mother the woman she is washing the vessels. She is washing the vessels. Understood? And for that also we need water. And the boy, he is putting the water. He is putting water to the toilet after using. Understood? In your home, you to clean the water, clean the toilets when you go there. Understood? So cleaning the toilet or washing the toilet. Next, here the person washing the clothes. For washing also, washing clothes, water is needed. And lastly, the girl, she is drinking the water. You can see the girl drinking water. So for all these purposes, water is needed. Understood? Without water, we cannot live. Understood? Now here, so write down some words in your book. Upon your book, I will be giving some of the words for you. So you can write down in your classwork, in your writing book you open, put heading water. Third lesson, water. Write heading water. Now here, so right here, new words heading here, new words to write. Heading, new words. If you cannot say, once again I will write it. Sufficient. Now, right here, first word, write a little bigger one. New words. New words. Now, first one, boy is washing the face. So write first one, WASHING, washing. Right here, washing word is the first one, washing. Next, second word, bathing, BATHING, bathing. Bathing every day. All of us take bath. Every day morning we wash our face and we take our bath. Understood? Now, next, third one. Cook for cooking food. For cooking food, water is needed. Right? COOKING, cooking. For cooking also, water is needed. Next one, for fourth one, for drinking. We need water. Washing, bathing, cooking, drinking are the, so drinking means to drink. Understood? Fourth one is drinking. So now let me use two more words. So here four, fifth one, writer for building, BUILDING. For building the house also we need water. So let me show. See, the two persons, they are, what they are doing? They are mixing the soil using water. The two persons, they are mixing the soil with water. Without water, we cannot mix the soil here. Understood? So to mix the soil, water is needed. It means water is needed for all purpose. Understood? Without water, we cannot do any of the work. Understood? So for building house, we need soil. And then for this soil, to mix the soil, water is needed. You can see the persons, they are mixing the soil with the water. Understood? Now, building the house. Next, farming. Sixth one, farming. FARMING, farming. See, farming here. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see the farmer here. Farmer, he is using the water for what? For his field. He is using the water to grow the crops, to grow the plants. He needs water. Understood? So water is also needed for the growth of the plants. Understood? For growing plants, trees, we need water. Understood? So what we call it as farming. FARMING. Farming means for to grow the plants or trees, we need water. Understood? Now, for farming. And also next word, saving. Write down. SAINING. Saving. Saving means say it is not clear here. So you see, you might have seen the boat and ships moving on the water. Boat and ship, they move on the water. So we call it as sailing. Understood? So let me show you the diagram here. In that, this is the water here, and this is the for the ship का so boat का I think you cannot see it. So say boat always they float on the water. Boats they float on the water. Boat and ships they float on the water. Understood? So surf diagram I have drawn and so that is called sailing. Understood? Sailing. Boat sails on the water. Boat sails on the water. Sailing. Understood? We call it as sailing. Don't we ignore this one. So only these words you can take down. So first on washing the clothes. Washing face, washing clothes, washing the vessels. Understood? Washing. What all we are washing here? Let me tell you. See here. See. Let me give one more pattern. It is for the 8-1 for the growth of plants. Farming is now. So, see, washing means we wash clothes. We say your mother is, you say your home, you say your mother wash clothes. You say the washing the clothes. Say, let me show you. So here you can see that washing you can see here washing vessels. You can see washing the vessels. Understood? Washing clothes, washing the toilets. So washing means washing the face. So we use water for washing different things. Washing face, washing clothes, washing vessels, and washing the toilets. Understood? So many purpose we use water. Washing. Understood? And bathing. To take bath every day, we need water. For cooking purpose, see you can see the bathing. Why is bathing with clean water? Understood? Every day you have to take bath. Now, mother use water for cooking the food. Understood? Now, and for this person washing the vegetables. When you bring vegetables from the market, you wash them. No? The same way you see the person is washing the vegetables before cutting. Understood? Now, here you can see the boy is cleaning the toilet after using. Understood? You can see the boy, he is watering the toilet with the water. Understood? And the girl drinking water. So for drinking purpose, for cooking purpose, for building house, say for the house is here, the two persons they are mixing the soil and they are putting water for the soil to mix. So for building purpose, the water is needed. Understood? Next, for farming, you can see your field is there, like your field. See, this is there. This field is there. and farmer is watering the plants. Understood? Farmer means Raita. He is using water for clothes, for water for growing the crops. And here you can see the person. He is washing the vehicles. You can see the vehicle truck here. Can you see the truck here? And he is washing the truck with the water. Understood? Now next, here also the boy washing the cow with water, and the boy pouring water to the plants. And also some more pictures you can see here. So then from where do we get? How do we get water? Through taps. Ask elders to know. See, you can see the boy standing here, and he is filling the water in the bucket. Understood? He has kept the bucket here, and he is filling the water. Understood? And see, then from where do we get water in your house? Today you are getting water in your house. And from where do we get water? Means we get water through the taps. In your home, we get water through the taps. Taps and see, this is the tap. This is called tap. We get water through the tap in your home. Understood? So we get ask elders to know. Through taps we collect the water. And from where do we get from in the tap? Through tap, it comes through the rivers. From rivers, this water comes through the tap from rivers. Understood? Also from the borewells. See, borewell is there. We get water from borewell, and also from water tank. This is called water tank. And this is the filter. This where water gets filtered here. Understood? So this is the well. Well means bhavi, what is called bhavi. You might have seen that, or we get water from well, from the water tanks, and from borewells, from rivers, from ponds. So in this way we get water from different places. Understood? So this is about the how we get water from different sources. Now here is a song for you to once I will read it and try to sing. So sing and enjoy. Page number 26. Page number 26. Here is the song is there. One time and itchy finger where I am reading. Keep your finger. See, I need water for drinking, cooking and bathing too. Is there, see? I need water. Page number 26. Page number 26. See there. I need water for what? For drinking, cooking and bathing too. And I need water for building, farming and saving too. And I need water for plants and animals, me and you, for plants and animals. So let us take it, plants and animals. So for plants and animals. Understood? For plants and animals, we need water. So here, plants and animals also need water. Understood? So this is a small song given here. Now here, these are words. One. See, I will tell you how to spell them. So you can take down this word, plants and animals. Right? For plants and animals.